Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can rebuild your database on PS5. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to completely turn off PS5. It should be no lights on your PS5, completely turned off, right? And the second step what you need to do here, you need to connect your controller with a cable because it's the only option for you to go in the safe mode and then select some options, right? So make sure your controller is with a cable. And then what you need to do here, I believe it cuts out here, but you need to find power button on the bottom of your console and then press and hold until you get first beep, and then press and hold it until you get second beep, right? And then you can release it, right? And then I will change my monitor to PS5 here. And then we just need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. And after you do so, as you can see here, I need to press PlayStation button. And then here, you need to go to number 6 that says clear cache and rebuild database. And second option will be rebuild database. And usually it takes around 5 minutes to complete this step. And after that, you will rebuild your database, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it.